Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Today I want to show you the first new product I have for 2024 for all you window cleaners out there. It is the Squeegee Box. The Squeegee Box is a nice rugged plastic box. The size is 2" by 2", and this is a telescopic box, so it is 2 sections. And if you pull these apart, so what you can get is maximum width of 24 inches inside, and it shrinks down to approximately 14". Now the corners of the box, they have these ridges on them on all sides, so it acts like almost like a ratchet. And like I said, they do expand up to a maximum of 24 inches. Here is a fully expanded box, and here is a 24-inch super channel, just to give you an idea. And like I said, you can use these to hold your squeegee rubbers or squeegee channels if you have a whole bunch of different size squeegee channels. And of course, if you only have a few channels, there's no reason why you couldn't have these channels plus some rubbers inside the same box. For those of you who are curious, holds up to a maximum of 36 pieces of rubber. And of course, the purpose of the Squeegee Box is to keep your rubbers and your channels in good conditions. There's nothing worse than having rubbers or channels floating around in your work vehicle. You go to use them one day only to find out that that brand new rubber that you just put in has got nicks in it and it's going to leave line or it's going to leave a lot of water behind. So keeping your squeegee rubbers and channels inside the Squeegee Box will help them last a lot longer, which is, of course, is going to save you money in the end. So check it out at thewindowcleaningstore.com, the Squeegee Box. Thanks for watching.